So how hardcore of an off-roading are you willing to put your Porsche Cayenne through? So right now I'm here in Sepang for the Porsche World Road Show, and Porsche Malaysia has just given us the keys to a few Cayennes to test on some off-roading tests. Now, the thing is this, these Cayennes, all these cars, right, they are from Europe, left-hand drive examples, and they are not on off-road tires. So all of them, they are on the regular road tires, okay? And you may think these are easy challenges. They are not. So that is Eugene from Autobus. Okay? So this is what we call the elephant track obstacle. Okay? So look at these. These are holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically they resemble what it's like if an elephant stomps on the ground. Okay, it's easily like, I think, 1 feet deep. And the purpose of this test is to test out the vehicle's wheel articulation. So you see, as this Cayenne comes down, see the back wheel is lifted up. Okay, now this is just the start. All right. Now, as the front wheel goes down that hole, you see that back wheel is lifted off and it's all caked. Not so easy to tackle, because bear in mind, your traction is limited. Okay, and you don't have all wheels on the ground. Okay, this is a demonstration on how capable is the Cayenne's all-wheel drive system. I've done my course just now, and this part is tricky. This part is tricky. All right. And the tricky part is you have to go slow as possible, as fast as necessary, because you cannot crash through this. But at the same time, if you stop, all right, if you stop, you get stuck. Okay, this is just one test. Eugene, shot ball.
Good on the track, good off-road.
Right. So over there, those Cayennes are lining up for the next test. And this is another one of those tests, right, that you see from outside, you think is easy, but when you're inside the car, can be a bit scary one if you're experiencing it for the first time. So the event crew, they dug this hole here. Inside there got water some more. All right. Not the kind of terrain you would subject a Cayenne to, but here you go. All right. So this guy is inching forward, foot on the brakes. Okay. He's creeping forward at barely 1-2 kilometers per hour. Okay, and as he goes down this slope, he's going to let the Cayenne's hill descent control system take over. Okay, now the car's on hill descent control. Alright, it's soaking under the mud. Not the kind of driving you would subject a Cayenne to, lah. Alright. Oh! See, at this point in time, from inside the cabin, right, you can't see ground line. When you look, your windscreen is facing the sky. Right? All right, fantastic. So this car is coming down the hill again. All right. Okay, so this is the 45-degree hill bank, and what's happening here is that the Cayenne is going to be put through a 45-degree banking. All right. So once again, this is one of those tests that look easy on the eye, but navigating it is a different thing altogether. You see, you notice that as the Cayenne went through this, right, the nose was always angled slightly upwards, okay, because gravity is pulling the car down, okay. So it's not any car that can tackle this banking one, okay. You must have a good all-wheel drive system, and well, in the case of this Cayenne, once again, let me remind you, all these obstacles are done with the car being shot on road tires, and these are performance tires. All right, these are tires catered more for performance. So it's an effective demonstration of the car, even though these are very standard off-road tests, but still it is a very effective demonstration of the Cayenne's off-road prowess.